Have you ever looked back at one of your crypto trades and thought, why did I even enter this trade? Or maybe you've had a great month trading, but you couldn't explain which strategy actually made you money or which coin kept dragging your results down. Crypto moves fast. We jump between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and dozens of other coins. After a few weeks, it's almost impossible to remember every setup, every mistake, and every lesson. That's exactly why I built this crypto trading journal. In this video, I'll show you how to use the updated version, from planning your trades and managing risk to tracking your performance and uncovering what's actually working. Let's jump right in. We'll begin with the Start tab, where you'll set everything up before recording your first trade. Start by entering your starting year. The journal will automatically generate the following 10 years. Next, enter your annual profit goal. Having a clear target makes it much easier to stay focused and measure your progress over time. Then enter your starting account balance. Below that, you'll define your trading strategies. Give each strategy a name along with a short description, such as your entry rules, exit rules, or confirmation checklist. It's a simple feature, but it becomes incredibly useful when you're reviewing trades months later. You can also customize the journal to match your own trading style. Adjust the break-even threshold, edit the entry mindset and exit reason lists, customize your preferred timeframes and trading sessions, or even change the trading terms into your own language. Once everything is configured, you're ready to start logging trades. Before entering any trade, the first question should always be, how much am I risking? That's where the built-in position sizing calculator comes in. Simply enter your account balance and the percentage you're willing to risk on a trade. The journal instantly calculates your dollar risk. You can also calculate your minimum order size based on your preferred risk-reward ratio, stop loss, and target level. This helps you size every trade consistently instead of making decisions based on emotion. Now let's move to the heart of the spreadsheet, the trading journal. This is where you'll record every trade you take. Simply enter the trade number, choose whether it's a long or short position, select the crypto symbol, strategy, time frame, and trading session. When the position is opened, enter your entry date, position size, entry price, trading fees, stop loss, take profit, and leverage. From there, the journal automatically calculates important trading metrics, including 1R distance, required margin, maximum profit, maximum loss, risk percentage, reward to risk ratio. Once the trade is closed, simply enter your exit information. If you take partial profits, just click the plus icon at the top of the exit columns. You can record up to 3 separate exits for a single trade. The journal isn't only about numbers. Every trade also has a psychology section where you can record your entry mindset, discipline score, exit reason, personal notes, and even save a link to your trade chart. This may seem optional at first, but after dozens or hundreds of trades, you'll begin spotting patterns in your own behavior. Maybe your best trades happen when you're patient. Maybe your biggest losses come from revenge trading. Those insights are difficult to find unless you're tracking them consistently. If you make a deposit or withdrawal, simply create a new row, enter a dash in the trade number column, record the transaction date, and enter the amount. For withdrawals, just use a negative value. As your journal grows, the built-in trade finder makes it easy to locate any trade. Select it from the drop-down list, and the journal will automatically highlight the matching row. Recording trades is only the beginning. The real value comes from reviewing them. As you build your trading history, the journal automatically calculates statistics such as trade duration, profit and loss, R multiple, cumulative profit, daily profit, percentage return, and account drawdown. One metric I personally like is R multiple. Instead of focusing only on dollar profits, R multiple measures performance relative to the amount of risk taken. It gives you a much clearer picture of how consistently you're executing your strategy. Next, let's look at the monthly report. Choose the year and month you'd like to review, then decide whether to analyze trades based on their entry date or exit date. You'll instantly get a summary showing total profit and loss, total R multiple, win rate, performance by strategy, performance by trading. Symbol, long versus short distribution. The calendar displays your daily profit and loss, while the table below lists every trade taken during that month. If you prefer reviewing your performance week by week, the weekly report works the same way. Just select the week number, and the journal generates a complete summary for that trading week. One of my favorite pages is the strategy report. Instead of guessing whether a strategy is working, you can let the data answer that question. Choose any strategy from the drop-down list, and you'll see every trade taken using that setup. The report includes key statistics like total profit, win rate, average winner, average loser, largest win, largest loss, average daily profit, and your longest winning and losing streaks. You'll also see charts showing which crypto symbols perform best with that strategy. And if you're testing multiple strategies at the same time, the monthly statistics page lets you compare their performance side by side. You can also evaluate your performance by individual crypto. Select a symbol like BTCUSDT, ETHUSDT, or SOLUSDT, and the journal displays every trade you've taken on that market. You'll immediately see your total profit, R multiple, win rate, average winner, average loser, and other useful statistics. This makes it easy to identify which markets suit your trading style and which ones may be costing you money. Finally, let's take a look at the dashboard. Think of this as your trading command center. Everything is summarized in one place, so you can instantly see how your trading is progressing. Filter the dashboard by year or view your entire trading history. You'll see key metrics like current account balance, profit goal progress, total profit and loss, win rate, overall return. The charts provide even deeper insights into your equity curve, drawdown, monthly performance, R multiple, strategy performance, and profits by trading symbol. There's also an open positions table, making it easy to monitor trades that are still active. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of rows, the dashboard gives you a clear picture of what's working and what needs improvement. And that's a complete walkthrough of the updated Crypto Trading Journal. At the end of the day, successful trading isn't just about finding the next winning setup. It's about building a process, managing risk consistently, and learning from every trade you take. That's exactly what this journal is designed to help you do. If you'd like to get your own copy, you'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more trading tips, spreadsheet tutorials, and productivity tools for traders. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments. I always enjoy hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.